For today's video, we have this rather unusual version of a Holmes Blizzard. I've always thought of the Blizzard as a good fan. I know a friend, or I have a friend that has one, and that's a good fan. This is not a good fan. This is some Holmes oddity that they decided to cough out at some point in January of 2004. Draws 0.8 amps because it's got that stupid little shaded pole motor back in there. It is, does it say the model? Model HANF76. What is NF? Holmes Air novelty fan, maybe? I have no clue. It's really weird looking. Like this, and by the way, this switch is horrible. It feels horrible. There's just so much restriction from that switch, and you got a big thick plastic guard. The front one is much better. They should have done the rear one like this as well. This one is used. I got it for $5.95 at a thrift store that I don't usually go to, but I should go to more often. They have good prices. Most of the fans are priced around $5. We've got a stupid zip tie holding the cord together for some reason. Don't know what's wrong with the rubber band. And I don't know where my scissors are, so I guess we're not taking that off. Never mind, I found my cutting pliers. We'll use this. I think it's a pretty cool looking fan. I've just never seen anything like it. It's got a nice older cord. It's nice and malleable, I guess, still. Yeah, it lost all of that memory that it had wrapped up in that little circle. But we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see how it does. Yeah. Let's get started. Move the camera here real quick. Turn on the light. Yeah, this switch is horrible. This thing is just noise. I like the bass, it's pretty stable. This is obviously a spin-off of that fan. The Honeywell Turbo Force. That's low. It's not moving too much air. It is moving some, but it's not a lot. And it's pretty loud. Let's go to high. It's also pretty badly out of balance. Not a very big jump in speed. It moves about the same amount of air. And it's more noisy. See what spin down time is like. That definitely needs to be oiled. Oh boy. So yeah, and it's got some scuffs on it. Hopefully that cleans up. Otherwise it's in decent shape. Why didn't they put the information down there? And it is also wall mountable. So maybe I'll switch this one out with the Honeywell on my drum set every once in a while. But yeah, that's all I got for the first looks of this Holmes Blizzard oddity. I guess in gray. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye. Also, hold up. This is just going to create noise. These little spots here. It's so tight for air to get through. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.